Welcome to Instructor Gadget, where we make tech simple. A few months ago, I lost a bunch of personal files after a system update, photos, documents, everything. Since then, I back up my PC regularly, and it only takes a few minutes. In today's video, I'll show you how you can do the same, backing up your Windows 11 files to an external hard drive using just built-in tools. No cloud, no extra apps. First, take your external hard drive and plug it into any USB port on your computer. After a few seconds, Windows should recognize it automatically. To check, open File Explorer and look under This PC. Your drive will show up with a letter, like D or E. Now let's open the tool that handles backups. Click the Start button in the left corner of your screen, then type Control Panel into the search box and click the first result that appears. In the Control Panel, click on System and Security. It's usually at the top of the list. Then select Backup and Restore, Windows 7. Now, you might be wondering why it says Windows 7. That's because this is a legacy tool from older versions of Windows. Microsoft still includes it in Windows 11, so users can create local backups to an external drive. But it's worth mentioning, today, Microsoft focuses more on cloud-based backups using OneDrive. We'll cover those options in another video. But for now, let's keep going with the local backup. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see an option that says Set up Backup. Click it. A new window will open and Windows will begin searching for available drives. It may take a moment. Just wait until your external hard drive shows up in the list. When the list appears, select your external drive. Make sure you're picking the right drive, especially if you use more than one USB device. Then, click Next. Here you'll decide what to include in the backup. If you're not sure, select Let Windows Choose. It'll automatically include your most important files, like your desktop, documents, and pictures folders. If you want more control, choose Let Me Choose, and then check the specific folders or drives you want to save. Once you've made your selections, click Next, review the summary, and then click Save Settings and Run Backup. Windows will now start copying everything to your external drive. This may take a few minutes, depending on how many files you have. This process won't touch or delete anything else that's already on your external hard drive. Windows creates a separate folder, so all your personal files on the drive stay safe and untouched. When the backup finishes, it's important to eject the drive safely. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click the small arrow to show hidden icons, then find the USB icon. Click it and choose Eject. Once you see the message that it's safe to remove the hardware, you can unplug your external drive. And that's it. You've just backed up your important files in a safe, local way, without needing cloud storage. Now your files are protected, and you'll have peace of mind knowing they're safe if something ever goes wrong. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more clear tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.